Good morning, everybody. I'd like to continue to thank our new subscribers for getting us this far. Please continue to subscribe. We're growing places slowly and steady. So game plan today, well, I'm going to try to work on the front clip just a little bit more because this has become kind of a headache. Nothing too severe, but the reason why a headache, and I think I stated in one video, is the clips and everything. Some of these are actually stripping and they're not coming out, so some of them I have to grind. And well, as you can kind of see past over there on the tree line and past our outhouse, I may not have much time because it's supposed to rain and snow today for a little bit. So, and I kind of want to grind this stuff off, get a little bit of a head start on the fair lane. But sadly, I don't have that kind of time today, as I don't know how much time I will fully have for it to start raining and snowing. So I'm gonna work on tearing out the seat, get some room there, and I guess I'll hop over here to the Biscayne, finish taking off whatever stuff is, well, right here that they left over, start stripping a lot of this down. Yeah, it's don't know why they cut it, I just don't know, but have to go through everything and find some stuff and see what else is going on. But just have to hope that the weather holds out for so long, because that's coming fast. But for now, I shall put this down and get to work, and then might do some measurements for some engines, because I need to configure some stuff out for this, for the 454. I might go over to my relative's place tomorrow, depending if he's open or not. Just have to find out, really. I haven't been there for a couple weeks, so, because he's been very busy and kind of going on a vacation, so, but okay, guess I better get to it. So you want to see something strange? Well, I'm trying to take the seat out, and well, hopefully all of you can see it. I'm bumping my head again. Yeah, look at that. That's the bolt to the seat. They tack welded that nut on. Yeah, and I don't know where my chisels are at. I'm gonna have to figure something out here, because I want to take the seat out. And that curve right there hurts. I wasn't paying attention right there. But yeah, so they tack welded a nut on, and there's no other choice but to chop it. So I'm gonna have to find a chisel, or trying to get a chisel this weekend, at least a cutting chisel that I can pound with a hammer, because I won't be able to get a grinder in there. And plus, too, if I get a grinder in here, I might catch you know, an unwanted s'mores maker. So I'll look on the other side and get that stuff off, and I guess I'll get a cutting chisel this weekend that I can pound on. But yeah, they tack welded that stupid nut on. Well, what other surprises are going to be waiting me? Gravy. So this is what they look like. This is the back bolt. This is the front one. This came out of the right side. Of course, this is on the left. The back is supposed to be longer because of the body shift on the panels and everything, but also too for something else extra. I can't remember what else, but I can't remember too much. But yeah, the back's supposed to be longer. But luckily enough, this wasn't welded. So I want to try to at least break the other one free, because it's just that one bolt left to get the seat out. Seat's got to be redone. Springs are all shot and broken and rusted away, but I'm going to keep the framework and everything back. At first I thought, I was like, well, maybe put some bucket seats in this on the frame, but to be honest, I'm just going to keep it as is. I mean, I might as well. I just want to get a different seat pattern, modernized, something a little better, but just have to find out. put some sort of a center console right there. That way it could be bent up and down, because that's what I'll do. But anywho, well, I better try to get that bolt busted, or at least try to. Well, I can't get the darn thing out. It's welded, both rust welded and tack welded on. So I'm gonna have to get a hammer chisel this weekend and pop that thing off. So I guess now I'm skipping over to the Biscayne. Might not be out here too much longer because the clouds are rolling in fast. So yeah, let's see what happens on this one. Okay, wind sound warning. This wind's picking up. I'm not sure how much time I have left out here, but I got the front bumper off. This car has been sitting longer than the 58 Fairlane, and it was easier to take off. I want to carefully take the front off because the rock guard, the hood latch mechanism and the brace for it is still good. And of course, that right there. Try to save some of the stuff back, whatever I can, including the light belt housing, because I do believe that these can be redone, probably except for this one because it's junk. Well, let's look at the other side just to see. Got some damage there. No, those are no good. Well, I might keep that one back, to be honest. I might just keep that one back. So I don't know how much time I have left. So I just felt a raindrop, which I'm gonna have to grab my phone here and put inside the Fairlane. But I am kind of annoyed about this seat because this thing can sit outside. All the springs and mechanisms on it is shot, except for the frame, which I could, you could redo the frame. You can put new springs on the frame. But to this though, yeah, I kind of want to take it off the rest of the way, and then take it apart all together. Because this is the part right here that people don't like. This and that right there in the car, because it's too much work for people to do. Which I don't understand why. But yeah, anywho, I'm gonna try to do as much more work as I can out here. And I'll set this back because I could always tear it apart next week. Because, well, next week I'm gonna get back over to the 66 Galaxy parts car. Excuse me, tear that apart. But tomorrow, if it's not raining, because now it's supposed to rain, I gotta clear all that wood. I gotta put it over to the side. I gotta mow a spot down very, very low. Move all that stuff over so that way I can get the 2 Roadrunners there. And then next month or December, depending on how things go here on YouTube, I'm going to inquire for the sheriff to come out and get a title for the 73. I thought I had a title for it, but it was for a 72, and I checked things up and I looked at it again. It's like, wait, that's not a 72, it's a 73. So I gotta get a title for that. So I'm not gonna work on the 73 Roadrunner. I know if people are not gonna like hearing that, because I got it all out and everything, getting it ready for restoration, but now I gotta wait to see if I can get a title for it. If not, then I'll figure something out with it. I'm still gonna keep the car no matter what. But anywho, I better get back to work on the Biscayne. Hopefully Thursday it's nice, supposed to be in the 70s again, or 60s, and then I'll grind the bolt heads off and try to get the front clip off of this, because there's a lot. I've looked online, there's a lot more bolts on a 58 Fairlane than a 58 Chevy Biscayne. Just a 58 car in general. But okay, enough gabbing, more work. Wind sound warning again. Got a little bit of a fun fact here. 1958 Chevrolet car on the left, 1958 Ford Fairlane on the right. Darn near the same thing, but the 58 Fairlane is just a little bit wider, as you can see. Yeah, how about that? Frames seem to be about the same darn thing, but I think I might have a little bit of damage right here. I'm gonna have to do some comparison stuff again underneath, because I saw that when I came out, but But yeah, the bumpers are just about same width. But the cars themselves, I'm looking, 58 Chevy seems to be a little narrower. So yeah, how about that? So that pretty much about does it for now. Try to get you guys out of the wind here. It's starting to spit a little rain. If it snowed, yeah, no problem, I'll be out here. I just go inside, bundle up, come back out and continue working. But I don't like working out in the rain, never did. I always hated getting wet by the rain. So tomorrow I'm gonna work on the wood pile, get all that stuff moved over, so that way I can have room to get the road runners over. I gotta get that pole kind of cut down a little because it's starting to warp. The power pole right there, yeah. I mean, that's what happens when some of your friends want firewood all these years and they decided that they don't want it. So I've been waiting on them for a long time to get it, and I never did, so I'm hauling it off little by little. So yeah, it is what it is. So again, apologies that this video is not much content filled. Well, I guess it is to a certain extent, but I was wanting to get the rest of the front clip off the 58 Biscayne. Thursday, I'll try to get the rest of this off, at least Thursday to Friday. So I guess another video will be uploaded on, I guess Friday, depending on how far I get on this. I'm hoping to get this off, and then this weekend I'm going to hammer chisel, get that bolt taken care of. I'm not liking the fact of that, because yeah, could have had the seat out and could have, you know, set it out. Don't care. I just want the frame and everything, you know, like I said earlier. So for now, I shall bid you all adieu. Thank you for subscribing to us, and please continue to subscribe if you want to grow, keep on growing. So me on behalf of Tucker, wherever he is, we wish you all adieu. So you all have a good one now. Take care and stay safe. See you later.